Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Me and Greenie, and today we are going to talk about something that usually I have had friends ask me. I also helped in arranging someone's balcony, and most of the questions were always, what are the best indoor plants to carry or to buy? Like, what type of plants should we take into our houses to make it look more refreshing and beautiful? So I am gonna be talking about some indoor plants that you can adopt in your home. So let's go.
First off, I'd like to mention that it is much better to get native plants in your country. What are native plants? These are plants that grow indigenously in that area. I hope you have your pen and pencil or notepad to list out the species I'm going to name right now. I hope you enjoy them. First off, let's start with a plant that is simple to grow. How about the mother-in-law's tongue? It's also called tiger plant or the snake plant. It is a native species to Nigeria and it's one of the most tolerant species. I mean, you can go days without giving water. I'm not saying you should do that, but they will be able to survive. They are indoor plants and also love the sun too, so you can have them planted outside as well as in your homes. And there are many species of these plants. Though in small quantities, they are also known to absorb carbon-causing pollutants and act as an active defense against airborne allergies. So it's good to have it in your homes, being in a polluted city such as Lagos. The next simple plant to grow in your homes is the aloe vera plant. I'm sure everybody by now knows their major role in beauty DIY routines and health benefits. Like, they're good at curing heartburn, sunburn, and also healing wounds. But I won't go into that. They are very beautiful indoor plants to keep with their succulent, bright green fleshy leaves. They're easy to maintain. They don't like direct sunlight, so I would suggest you put them, near your kitchen window or just in an area that has indirect sunlight. Also, before we continue and go to the next plant, hit that subscribe button, please, and like and comment on plants that you've tried to grow and you had problems in. I would like to know. The third plant is Joseph's court. Yeah, that's what it's called here, but it is mainly the Mexican mint. Not much is known about its origin, but it is believed to be native to Africa as well as India. It is used both for culinary and decor purposes. Its mintiness is used for curries such as mutton as well and fish curry in order to mask the mutton's strong smell. It's also added in teas and it helps to treat sore throats and coughs. I'd like to talk of this beauty that I have flowering in my home, and that is the pink periwinkle plant, and it is a native to the continent. It has pink beautiful flowers. It's all blooming and with a nice fragrance. It does well in shade as well as in sun, and I personally water it every 2 days. Last but not the least is the cactus plant. Now, many people don't think these are pretty species, but I mean, look at them. And they are low maintenance species. You don't have to water them all the time, but they're always thriving. I've mentioned 5 species, but we can work with these simple ones that are low maintenance to everybody who wants to start caring for indoor plants in their homes, and then we can gradually graduate into harder plants. Thank you for watching.
We've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. If you know of some more indoor plants, please hit me in the comment section below. Like and subscribe to this channel. Join my green tribe. I make videos very regularly to involve people on how to live more sustainably. Well, as I always say, this 2021, let's start imperfectly. Bye.